Welcome to my potential last concert of the summer. Today, me and a bunch of friends are going to see Disturbed, Breaking Benjamin, and hopefully Jinjer. I've seen Disturbed many times, at least 8 or 9 times with tours and festivals. They always put on an amazing show. Breaking Benjamin I have kind of a funny history with. I used to hate them. I don't know why. I guess I thought they were boring back in the day, but I've grown to like them. They're fun live, and I'm excited to see them again. Jinjer, they're potentially who I'm most excited to see. I was going to see them a few years ago, but they're from Ukraine, and whenever that Russia-Ukraine bullshit started, they had to cancel their tour, so I didn't get to see them. Well, hopefully that changes today. Alright, I'm basically ready to go. Now, per usual, since we're going to a concert, we're going to do us a shot first. But which one? Well, about maybe 4 or 5 months ago, Eric gave me some shots to try, and a couple of them got lost in the bottom of my closet. But that's okay, we've discovered them, so today, we're going to have us some Knob Creek. So fuck it, let's try it. Me and Eric actually have a fun history with Knob Creek. A history that involves taking a shot or 3 in the drive-thru McDonald's as we were waiting on food. Cheers. Whoa. Now, Knob Creek is one of those beverages where if you're into bourbon, I'm sure you've tried it before. It's not my favorite in the world. It's up there with Woodford Reserve, where it's technically a really good bourbon. It's just not to my particular taste. It has a hell of a bite associated with it that I'm not a big fan of. But if you're into bourbon and you've never tried Knob Creek, you need to give it a go. Alright, let's get to some concert footage.
Alex, Mama, you enjoy?
This is the longest line for a concert I've seen in a long time. Holy shit.
Exhausting.
Oh, yeah. My voice might be shot, but we survived the night.